Hello everyone. This is a quick update video on the topic auto negotiation. And I here in this video will solve a problem related to auto negotiation. I made a simple topology by connecting one switch to a router. It is actually for the learning purpose of switch virtual interface like telnet and others. So I constructed this topology, and the problem I found was whenever I turn on this switch 1 and while it's working, it will throw a duplex mismatch error. Actually, what is happening here? When duplex mismatch will occur, I will tell you. That's the topic of this video. Okay. What here is happening? Uh, Here in the switch 1 or any Cisco device, usually auto negotiation is on. What is auto negotiation? If two devices are communicating, they need to be in same speed and duplex for working properly, proper communication. If they are not in the same speed and same duplex, it will not work properly. So what auto negotiation does is it will automatically, first of all, before even start communicating, the device will communicate each other. Communicating in the communicating in the way I said that before even transferring real data packets, they will first try to synchronize their speed and duplex. Synchronization means first they will send first of all switch 1 will say to the router 1 that I am using 100 mbps speed and my duplex is full, and router 1 will reply to that I am using 10 mbps speed and my duplex is half. So they will try to set the maximum speed available and duplex to full if you are using auto negotiation. For example, both of them have an option to use 100 mbps speed and duplex full. So by working of auto negotiation, they will automatically set it to the maximum speed, that is 100 mbps, and their duplex will be set to full. Remember, while using auto negotiation, the duplex will not be set to half duplex. Moreover, half duplex is not that good while communication, because while in half duplex, either we can send or we can receive. You cannot do both transmit and receive in half duplex. It can be done in full duplex. That's an advantage, and that's why auto negotiation will prefer or set full duplex by default. Okay. So that's all you need to know about auto negotiation. So how I find this problem and solve it, let me show you that. First of all, if you have an auto full duplex mismatch, it will not affect your communication, because but it will affect your speed. Problem is, it will affect your speed, the speed at which these two devices communicate. For example, I already set telnet on this switch, and I can access the telnet to the switch via router 1. That doesn't, this duplex mismatch doesn't cause any problem to that communication. But every time I run the switch is running, it will throw an error like duplex mismatch like this. So how I solved it, I will explain it now. First of all, what I did was, I just let me focus. I just list the interface, because you can see here the gigabit interface 0/0 is used. So I use the command show interface J0/0 to get the detail about that particular interface. So here I can see the switch is working in auto duplex, auto speed, and like that. Now, while I run the same command on router and found out this thing, it's pretty weird. By default, it is showing that when I run the same command, it is showing that unknown. So that is speed and duplex are unknown. So if anything happens like that, all you need to do is go to that particular interface, configuration mode by typing conf50, then enter the particular interface, set speed by option speed, then select auto. You can set manual 10 mbps, 100 mbps, or 1000 mbps options also. But if you set that, same speed and duplex should be set on the other side too. Since Cisco prefer auto negotiation, I go for it. That's better, because that avoid so much headaches. So set speed by speed and typing auto option, like that. Set duplex by typing duplex, then the option. In this case I am using auto. Then just shut the interface and no shut it. That means kind of restarting the interface. Once you did that, that error will be gone. And once again, if you run the show interface, particular interface name, in this case G0/0, you will get the detail that auto duplex and auto speed are set. Auto negotiation is simply. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you understand well.